Here's a guy I came across, Kane Kallaway, close to 224,000 followers on TikTok. I liked what he had to say about his hook strategy.
The way I think of the hook, there's three subparts to it. So at the beginning, if you go back to my beginning video, my early videos, I would do something that's very common with beginners where it's kind of, the first line is kind of like, I'm going to tell you about something cool today. And then the second line is when you get into it. Cut that, cut the, I'm going to tell you about something cool. The first thing you say needs to be like what you're talking about. So for the Leo Messi video, I forget exactly what it was, but it was like, Leo Messi just said no to $1 billion, something like that, right? So it was exact, like the first sentence you hear is something happened interesting. Then the second part of the hook is what I call the shocker. So you need to give some data point that supports that thing in a way that you'll never believe. So maybe the first sentence was like, I think it was Leo Messi just changed the business of sports forever. That was the first sentence. The second was he said no to $1 billion. So that's the shocker where it's like 1 billion. Like, why would he say no to that? Right. So your brain is like, Leo Messi sports, he said no to 1 billion. Right now you're like, I know what it's about, but why did he do that? And you're like, you're wondering. Then the third sentence is the misdirection, I call, and this works every time. You get them leaning. It's kind of like boxing, right? You get them leaning, you hit them with the counter. Like you get them leaning one way and then you misdirect. So their brain is like, what? So for that video, it was like, Leo Messi just changed the business of sports forever. He said no to $1 billion. Like, but he made the best financial move he possibly could, because you're leaning like said no to $1 billion. He's probably going to talk about why that was a dumb move. And then I hit you with the misdirection, which is like, it was actually a really smart move. So now you're like so intrigued about it because you know what it's about enough to stay. If you're a Leo Messi fan or football fan, you know, but you're like confused. So that hook framework works every single time.